Why, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Gavotte from Mignon from Suzuki Violin Book Number 2, tutorial and playthrough. If you want the playthrough, use the chapters below and skip ahead. Tutorial. Okay, this one, super infectious, kind of tricky, but totally worth it. So here we go. Let's just play the melody so you can hear it. Awesome. We need to know several things though. Where are the bow circles? We have so many bow circles. I will tell you we had some required and definitely some optional, but we'll get to that. The required bow circles, get this. Measures 4, 8, 12, 16, 31, 35, 50, 54, 58, 63, 65 required. So if you need to write the apostrophe after the first note of every measure, there's going to be a bow circle there. So write in an apostrophe in the air there. Next, there's some optional ones. Measures 2, 10, 29, 48, and 56. Now these, they're optional. I'll show you what I mean. So here we are, within our main theme. So I like to stay here and not do the bow circle. Okay, but you can do a bow circle there and it would look like this. Circle. I feel like we have so many bow circles already. Why do those extra ones that are unnecessary? I feel like do what you want with them, but just mark them down so you know that they're there. Next, we have accidentals. Ooh, there are some crazy accidentals. Let me just get you the measure numbers. 17 to 27. Well, 26, 27. There's some accidentals in there that you really need to mark them in, or arrows. Do what you need to do. The second section is going to be 35 to 46. Please write in what you need to. Let's talk about 35 to 46. So 35, it sounds like this. The tricky thing about that is that there's a lot of low fours and whatnot and string crossings. Practice those fingerings with the B flat major scale that we did with Perpetual Motion 2.0. So we have low 1, low 2, regular 3, low 4 on both strings, and just kind of play that scale up and down, and this section will start to make more sense. The next thing, GP. So in measure 61 we have this GP there. Well, first of all, it stands for grand pause, and we have some disagreement as to what this means. Some people think that it means like fermata, and you just kind of like do whatever, like you can stay as long as you want on it. I don't think so. I think grand pause means that you really count your rests out, but there's silence. So measure 58 going on, I'll demonstrate this. Get that? It's not an indefinite rest. It should be counted, and I think that way it keeps your audience involved too, because it's not just like random. The last thing is going to be, these pizzicatos we have at the end. Super fun. We have these squiggly lines next to these stacks of notes, okay? That means to strum the pitches. So we have this. Woo, so much fun, right? I like to think spreading it and sort of like doing a little bit of a crescent shape when you pluck, like that, and so I kind of draw a circle with my finger, you see? I draw a circle out and back. You can just and go straight down, but I think if you need space and help with the spacing, do you hear that barium, barium? It's much more deliberate if you kind of do that crescent pizzicato. Okay, time for the playthrough. So we have allegretto, a little bit slower than allegro. Maybe dum, bum, bum, bum. Here we are. 1 and 2 and 1 and. how'd you do? Let me know in the comments below. If you found value in this, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next song. Bye.